We are attempting to walk up to the witch's house. But I've almost fallen twice. So we'll see. We made it to the witch house.
We made it. We found it. There's no witch here though, that we've seen yet. There's lots of graffiti.
Yeah. Tons of graffiti. There's a door over here.
It's damp. And it's trying to drip in here. It's gonna mess up all the graffiti.
Yeah, this is weird.
Yeah. It's a little weird. It smells kind of like weed in here.
Yeah, so this is the it spot for all the teens.
Yeah, clearly.
Just coated in mud.
Yeah, mud on the stairs. Somebody would come with a shovel and scrape it.
A power washer.
Yeah. Good video. Power washing the witch house. It's less damp in here.
Is it though?
Sort of.
So, review of the witch house is it's just mud.
Yeah.
I don't know, mud and graffiti.
Mm-hmm.
It's cool though. It's like
Yeah. It's cool.
mossy.
Yeah, it's like in the middle of this little valley, gully, whatever you call it.
Weird little gingerbread men.
Fitting for a witch house in the forest.
That's true. That's true.
The souls of the children that she ate.
They are.
Yeah. The paintings are the souls of children that the witch ate.
Makes sense.
Yep.
Okay, well I guess that's about it for the witch house then.
Yeah.
What do you think? Is that a tiny house that you could get behind?
I don't know. That's a little too tiny, I think. Doesn't seem that well designed.
Because you have to go outside to go downstairs.
Or because the inside is outside.
That too. That too.
Yeah. In Western Oregon, rain room.
It is weird to think that Portland is like right there.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't seem like we're in a city.
Mm-hmm. Like forest. The road right there.
But it is riverfront, so
That's true.
can't fault them there.
How big is the lot? Oh, I thought I disconnected on accident.
Wow. Okay, so we decided if we were to ever move to Portland, it would be this neighborhood, but not on this main road.
Yeah, no.
Because this view,
It is very good.
like from your house, from your bedroom, from your porch, from your backyard. Oh my God.
not a fan of some of these garages because they're just like up on stilts.
Floating and then drops off. Nothing underneath.
I would be
Hopefully this can hold the weight of a car.
paranoid, yeah. But I'm sure they are, like, structurally.
But not for an earthquake?
Yeah, that's true.
But oh my god.
There's some big houses too.
It's like that view.
Mm-hmm.
You have a view of Mount Hood, you have a view of the city, you have a view of all the little snowy hills, the foothills in the background.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think there's a view of the river, but maybe. There's a view of the bridges.
Yeah. Like, I wonder certain angles you can get. Like, or like which ones, because we're just on the main road, so who knows what different little offshoots don't have.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
But
probably expensive.
oh, definitely expensive. We just were driving down this road and I made him stop. So I
She's
took
like,
a picture.
stop. Okay.
Like twice now, but we're on our way to get poutine.
Poutine.
And then we're gonna go back to the hotel and eat salad.
Yep. Balance it out.
Hey, we just went on a hike.
Yeah.
Keep left.
Smells spicy, like spiced, not spicy, you know?
Yours?
Mm-hmm. I think it's whatever barbecue they use. Excuse you? Cumin? I thought I smelled cumin. Burgerville.
So, I really wanted a milkshake, and Travis was still hungry after his fries. So we got more junk food.
More junk food.
But I just wanted to say, this milkshake. Oh my god. I tried Googling it, I didn't see anywhere else that have any other than Burgerville. But we've had them before at Burgerville.
Yeah, I mean, I grew up having Burgerville, so, like, this is good.
Yeah.
That's not necessarily a new thing, but figured.
Have to have it if we're down here. And their spread, Burgerville spread, I think it's pretty much just like a Thousand Island, like a typical house sauce with pickles, but instead of ketchup, it's mustard, which is like ideal because ketchup sucks. It's super good.
It's good. I got a burger that has it on there. Normally I get they have a pepper bacon cheeseburger that's really good.
With Tillamook cheese?
With Tillamook cheese.
Does this one have?
No, this one just has, actually it might just have American cheese.
Gross.
So kind of boring, but it has the spread on it, whereas the pepper bacon one doesn't. They just have mayo on that one.
The spread.
Yeah. And so, I know, I just wanted something else to eat too, so I figured I'd just get something little, whereas the pepper bacon burger would probably be a little too much.
It's bigger,
so,
yeah.
Yeah. So, it's alright. But I forgot to check that we need straws, so I'm going to be having my milkshake with a spoon.
Yeah, so, we only had one straw.
Yeah, and it's the wrong size. It's too small, so.
Yeah. Smooth.
Yeah, not bad.
And we were really hoping that the DoorDash girl would knock on the door to scare Ricky, but she didn't.
Yeah, she just set it down and then texted me, like, your food's there. So, which, I mean, it's fine. She's being quiet, I guess. Whatever,
How considerate of her.
Yeah.
I was trying to scare my cat lady.
Yeah. I should have put it into the special instructions.
Please knock on door as loud as you can.
Yeah. Scare my cat.
We were like playing with him on the floor too, so that he wasn't like in bed, so he was like not in a safe zone. We're so mean.
Yeah.
He was being an asshole, okay?
That's true. And now look at him. Now he's just laying in bed.
Living the life of luxury. Bean. What?
Yeah.
Okay, well, we're gonna go eat now. I just wanted to share. So, if you are near Burgerville, sweet cream shake if you like sweet cream. Otherwise, I mean, you can get something else.
Yeah, you can get whatever you want. I mean, to be fair, they normally seasonally have really good, like, seasonal things throughout this area.
Onion rings. Walla 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 onion rings.
Walla walla onion rings. That's their thing, is they do local Northwest ingredients, and one of the things they get is when they're seasonal is Walla Walla sweet onions, and they do onion rings out of them. that are stupid good.
I love onions, though. I love onion rings.
And they do seasonal, like, shakes and stuff, too.
Like, on the way driving here, I text Travis, and I was like, you think those... Because, you know, like, the big onion trucks? Like, if there's, like, wind or if they turn or whatever, they, like, spill over some onions onto the highway. And I texted him, I was like, you think it's legal to, like, stop and collect all of their lost onions? Like, check them for bugs and stuff, you know?
Make sure they're not nasty, but who knows?
Free onions.
Yeah. Road onions. It's like roadkill, but onions.
Why not? They're onions. Onions are great.
It's true.
Okay, we're gonna go eat now.
Okay, bye.
Bye. I'm actually gonna show you the spread, so see you in a second. POV, Travis, licking things.
Yep.
It just blows right in the camera. Oh my god, I can't get this open. Speaking of spread, look at that man spread.
It's like, Mom, what are you doing?
Are you comfortable? He said, no, I'm dirty.